Picture this. Your Galaxy phone wakes up one morning and suddenly feels like it jumped a whole generation ahead. Apps snap open faster, your phone starts predicting what you need, and even the way it locks and unlocks feels different. That isn't science fiction. That's One UI 8, and it's about to roll out to Galaxy phones sooner than anyone expected. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love being ahead of the curve, hit like, share this video with your fellow Galaxy fans, and subscribe so you don't miss the next big update. Alright, let's get into it. Samsung's September rollout is officially locked in, and the first wave is already landing for the Galaxy S25 series. But thanks to a freshly leaked schedule, we now know which Galaxy A devices are next and exactly when you should start refreshing your software update page. And trust me, this schedule is tighter than we've seen in years. Here's how it plays out. The Galaxy A56 5G and A36 5G are up first, and they're expected to get One UI 8 as early as September 25, which means we're talking just days away. Then October turns into a full-blown update party. Galaxy A26 5G and A17 5G are tipped for October 2, making them some of the earliest A-series devices to get the jump. Galaxy A25 5G and A23 5G should follow on October 16, while the Galaxy A15G is set for October 20. The rollout continues with the Galaxy A06 near October 23, and rounding out the month, we have Galaxy A30 5G, A34 5G, and A33 5G expected on October 30. Now, if you're looking at this and thinking, wait, that's actually pretty fast, you're right. Samsung usually spreads A-series updates out over several months, but this time they're pushing aggressively to get everyone updated before the holiday season. The source of this timeline is Turkey, which is almost always among the first in Europe to get new firmware. That means if you're in Europe, you should see very similar timing. For the US and Canada, you might lag behind by a few weeks, but this still represents one of the quickest rollouts we've seen. And One UI 8 isn't just about speed. It's a major update powered by Android 16 that's designed to make your phone feel smarter and more personal. You'll notice the new Galaxy AI features taking center stage, smarter suggestions that adapt to your habits, improved multitasking that makes split-screen apps buttery smooth, and better lock screen customization so you can truly make your device feel unique. Even the little things have been refined, like faster animations, better memory management, and a reworked battery optimization engine to squeeze out more screen time. But there's one change that's causing a stir. Samsung has quietly removed the lock each time I leave an app setting from secure folder. This was the most secure way to use it, instantly locking your protected apps every time you exited. Now you either have to rely on timers or manually lock the folder, which some users see as a step backward for privacy. The redesigned secure folder does look cleaner and run faster, but that missing option has sparked a lot of discussion. Will Samsung listen and bring it back? It wouldn't be the first time they reversed a controversial tweak after feedback. Meanwhile, if you own a Galaxy S23 in the US, you don't have to wait. The One UI 8 beta program is now live. You can register in the Samsung Members app, agree to the terms, and then download a massive 3.1 GB update that unlocks Android 16 early. You'll get to try the redesigned Quick Share, a smarter Samsung DeX with screen rotation support, enhanced calendar and reminders, new camera gestures, Auracast support for better wireless casting, and even new running challenges in Samsung Health. And it comes with the latest September 2025 security patch, so it's stable enough to use daily. Galaxy S24 users aren't left out either. Your beta build just dropped, weighing in at about 900 MB. This one focuses on improving speed, smoothing out multitasking, and unlocking some of the more advanced Galaxy AI upgrades like smarter summaries and improved text-to-image generation. And because it's a beta, you get to see the rough edges before everyone else, which is half the fun. Just make sure to back up your data before installing. It is still beta software after all. This entire rollout strategy tells us something important. Samsung is accelerating its updates and making sure even mid-range devices aren't left waiting until the very end. This could be part of their plan to keep Galaxy users loyal as competition heats up in the Android world. And honestly, it's working. Faster updates, more meaningful features, and a little bit of drama to keep people talking. So whether you're first in line for the beta, refreshing your settings, waiting for the OTA to land, or just here to see what's coming next, the next few weeks are going to completely transform your phone. And we'll be right here to cover every step of it. And that's where we are right now. One UI 8 is rolling out faster than anyone expected. Galaxy A users are finally getting the spotlight, and Samsung is shaking things up with both exciting new features and a few controversial changes. Over the next few weeks, we'll see this update spread across more devices, more regions, and likely get its first bug fix patches. So there's still plenty to watch. I want to hear from you. Do you think Samsung made a mistake removing that secure folder lock option, or do you like the new streamlined experience? And which feature in One UI 8 are you most excited to try? The smarter Galaxy AI, the new DeX improvements, or the lock screen customization? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tap like, share it with your fellow Galaxy fans so they know what's coming, and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got more deep dives, beta coverage, and feature breakdowns coming as soon as new updates drop. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and until next time, keep your phones charged, your software updated, and get ready, because your Galaxy is about to feel brand new.